Hi everyone, this is Simple Dad here. In this video, I'll show you how to turn on the AI select to choose a wallpaper for your Samsung S25 Ultra. So on your Samsung S25 Ultra, you have this AI select tool where you can basically select an image and make it as a wallpaper. So let me show you how to do this. So here we'll be using TikTok. So open up TikTok and we'll go ahead and search for wallpapers. So let's just say sunny beach wallpaper. So say for example you like one of these wallpapers, this one here. Now if you like this, you want to go ahead and first long press on it, then tap on clear mode. So you want to clear all the overlay. Next you want to go ahead and bring out the edge panel. From here select AI select, and this will basically select your screen. Now you want to go ahead and tap on the three dots and then tap on set as wallpaper. So this will now set a wallpaper for your lock screen and your home screen. So let's go ahead and choose both and then press next. Let me just go ahead and delete this image. Now this is the wallpaper which you have selected. You can go ahead and press done. Go ahead and choose if you want the color palettes. I'll skip it for now. And I'll go press home. So now that wallpaper has been set on my Samsung S25 Ultra with AI select. So with this AI select, you have creative control. You can design fun, unique wallpapers using personal images. No Photoshop is needed. AI does the hard work of cutting out the background and setting it as a wallpaper for you on your Samsung S25 Ultra. So there you go guys, that is how to use AI select to set wallpapers on your Samsung S25 Ultra with TikTok.
If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful.